Ganz ehrlich, ich habe mich schon
Come on, really. I've always wondered. Whenever I tell people I'm from Bielefeld, they respond in this ironic undertone and nod oddly. Yes, yes. And then they ask me, and how is it there in Bielefeld?
Bielefeld.
And I usually say, quite nice, very pretty. We even have trees. And then I list a few facts. I mean, hey, 323,000 inhabitants, the city is located in the administrative region of Detmold, and you mustn't forget we're the 19th largest city in the Federal Republic of Germany. But no, this doesn't help. People are simply biased, and you're confronted with this theory, and if you ask more particularly, mocked. Apparently, Bielefeld doesn't exist. It's an invention of the Illuminati. JFK and Elvis were held captive there to undergo some sort of experiments. I couldn't believe what I was hearing. What's that? I then looked it up, and supposedly this theory was invented by a computer science student named Achim Held at some party in 1994. But I've looked into it, and yes, there's a pretty weird symmetry. Bielefeld is 257.9 square kilometers. The digit sum, 23. The municipality key is 057110000. Digit sum, 23. Even our city administration is located at Niederwall 23. This can't all be a coincidence. And then consider that the Illuminati thought the number 23 was a particularly unlucky number, even a baleful number, and that our population numbers 323,000. If you take away the zeros, then there, smack in the middle, is the number 23. There's something strange here. But wait, maybe I'm a victim myself. Maybe I've played the cog in a gear for too long, taking part in a lie. And those pills I was given every morning, they weren't vitamins at all, no. They fooled me about my whole life and made me believe I actually live in a city called Bielefeld.
Bielefeld heißt.